Please Listen to Me by Debbie Dorsey, illustrated by Alex Weishart. Tori has a good idea. She wants her family to have a surprise birthday party for Grandma. She wants to share her idea. Tori tries to tell her mother. Her mother is busy at the computer. She does not listen to Tori. Tori tries to tell her father. He is busy washing windows. He does not listen to Tori. Later, Tori tries to share her idea. Tori's mother and father are choosing a movie. They do not listen to Tori. Tori says loudly, "Please listen to me." Her mother and father stop talking about the movie. Her mother and father look at Tori. They are listening now. "I just want to share my good idea," Tori says quietly. "I want to have a surprise birthday party for Grandma." "That is a great idea," says her mother. "We are sorry, Tori. It was rude not to listen to you. Next time, we will listen better." The end.